Types of levers. There are 3 types of levers. First class, second class, third class. First class or first type lever. In this class, the fulcrum F lies in between the load L and the effort E. For example, seesaw, scissors, crowbar, broom. Second class or second type lever. In this class, load L lies in between fulcrum F and effort E. For example, wheelbarrow, nutcracker, bottle opener. Third class or third type lever. In this type, effort E lies in between the fulcrum F and the load L. For example, a fishing rod, human arm, ice tongs.